Jai Gurudev, dear students. Welcome again in this EVS class. Children, in the last class, I have explained you about these all people who are at work. Okay, and in this, children, we have studied about the various people like doctor, teacher, cobbler, even um, this tailor and blacksmith, then farmer, he is grocer, see he is musician and writer, then confectioner, this one, and sweeper also. In this chapter we studied about the clown. Okay, I have explained you. So after that, plumber, and then we studied about the barber who cuts our hair. So all these we have studied, and now there is an exercise time. So let's see what is given in its exercise, then we will start next chapter. Okay, after completion of this exercise we'll start the next chapter, and I'll send you PDF of question answers. You write down and complete your both the chapters, this chapter also and next chapter also. Today we will complete. So see, who am I means here they have given sentence and you have to guess that who is this person. So I fit all the pipes and taps. I am a dash. Who fits pipes and taps? Plumber. I sell medicines. I am a chemist. Okay, chemist sells medicines. I compose sweet songs for you. I am a musician. Okay. I make gold jewelry. I am a goldsmith. I repair your vehicles. I am a mechanic. Okay, children? So, after that, tick the right answer. Here, a person who treats us when we are sick is doctor. You know, when we fall sick, we go to doctor and doctor treats us. A person who stitches clothes for us is a tailor. Okay, and a person who makes and repairs things made of iron is a blacksmith. A person who writes stories for us is a writer. Okay, so children, after this third exercise is given. Here they have written name of the person. Here means policeman, chef, nurse, farmer, postman and goldsmith. About these you have to write in the first column their work, means what they are doing, which kind of work they are doing. And second is place of their work, means their workplace, where they do their work or which is their workplace. So first is policeman. You know what policemen do? Catches thieves. चोरों को पकड़ना policeman का काम है. Okay. So he works in police station. Chef. Chef, you know, chef cooks food and his workplace is restaurant. And nurse cares patients. Okay, and her workplace is hospital. Farmer, you know, farmers grow crops and their workplace is field. After that, postman delivers letters and their workplace is post office. And After that, goldsmith. Goldsmith is what he does. He makes jewelry of gold. Okay, and their workplace is shop. He sells his jewelry in the shop. So children, this is all about this chapter, and with this we have completed this chapter. Question answers of this chapter I will send you in the form of PDF. Okay, so you note down all the question answers as well as whatever I will give you in the form of exercises, that also you write in your EVS notebook. And now we will start next chapter, chapter number 13, My School. So children, you know, you also study in school, and what we can see in school and whatever things present and how many persons are working in school, about that we will study in this chapter. Okay, so let's read one by one. Our school is an important center of our education. Our school helps us to learn many things. We have a lot of fun here. We make many new friends. We play, study, and share our things with them. We learn to dance. Children, you know, in school we learn many things. We can enjoy with our friends. You also know, when you come to school, you feel so happy to come in school and study with your friends. And whenever you get games period, you can enjoy also with your friends. And we share so many things, joy and sorrow. Even we share tiffins also with our friends, and many things other also. And you learn dance. During dance period, you know, your dance teacher teach you how to dance. Okay, so these all the things we can learn in school. So that's why school is an important center of our education. So we learn to sing in the music period. We learn how to sing also. Okay, गाना गाना भी हम सीखते हैं. We learn to work on a computer. Children, in your school also computer lab is there. Your computer teacher teach you that how to work with computer and what are their various parts. So in computer lab, when you visit, you can see that how to learn computer. Next is, we learn to draw. Your drawing teacher teach you that how to draw different objects, just like sun. Okay, so there are many teachers. They teach us different subjects. We must respect and obey our teachers. You know, children, in your school so many teachers are there. In your class also, some of them, they teach you different subjects. Like I am teaching you EVS, and your other teachers are teaching you various other subjects. Some teacher teach you maths, some teach you English, Hindi, Sanskrit, dance, drawing, music. So all the teachers teach their different subjects. So children, you should obey your teachers and you should respect your teachers, that whatever she instruct you, you should follow all those things. Okay, so here they have written one question: who is your class teacher? So children, here you know the name of your class teacher, so you should write here sentence that here or I'll give you in the form of question answers with this, that who is your class teacher. You should write the name of your class teacher for this answer. That my class teacher name is either if you are in A section, your class teacher is different, and if you are studying in B section, then your class teacher is different. You should write your class teacher name. Okay. So next, the librarian looks after the books in the school library. We get interesting books to read in a library. Children, in your school one library is there, and the teacher who sits there, and Gurleen madam, she is librarian over there. Here one gents teacher is sitting here, he is librarian. But in your school one lady teacher is there who is librarian. Okay, so librarian is Gurleen madam. And when you go in the library period in library, so at that time you can get many interesting books, even some cartoons, some comics to read. Okay, so as you go in higher classes, when you visit to library, that time you will get so many interesting books to read. So which is your favorite book? Here also this question is for you. You can write here if any book is your favorite, you can write the name of that book. Okay, children. So next is the peon rings the bell between periods and for lunch. He teaches us to do things on time. He also conveys important messages from principal and teachers. Children, peon, he is a peon. So in the same way, in your school also peons are there. So peon work is to ring the bell between the periods. When one period is over, then he always rings bell. And even for the lunch time and for break also, they after the at the break time and after school, when school gets over, that time also he rings bell. Okay, so what he indicates and what he teaches us, that we should do our work on time. Okay, so if he not rings bell, maybe sometimes we go late, means your teachers will go late in the class, or some teachers teach more than one period. So in to manage all these things, peon also helps us, and he also convey many kind of important messages. Sometimes that peon visit in your class, and he or she brings one register of notices. So many notices come in your class through these peons. Okay, so after that, the PT teacher teaches us exercises and games. He organizes the sports day and competitions. Children, one PT teacher is there in the school. Ghosh sir. Ghosh sir is PT teacher in our school, and Ghosh sir always teaches the students how to play any game or how to do exercises also. Okay, and PT teacher also organizes sports day. When sports day there, you also participate in sports day in some of the race or different kind of races they organize, and in all these activities you can also participate. So PT teacher work is to organize full sports day, how to conduct sports day, whatever the events are there, all those he manages. Then the gatekeeper stands at the school gate and keeps a check on the visitors. He holds the responsibility of safety of the school. Children, he is a gatekeeper. You know, at the school gate, when you come or when you enter in the morning in the school gate, at that time you can see that one man is sitting there who is called gatekeeper, and gatekeeper has one register and pen there. Whenever anybody enters in the school, he asks that person to write his important information, means about those person who visit in the school. They write their names, their contact numbers, for what reason they come in the school. So all these things he manages so that he can hold the responsibility of safety, so that any wrong person will not enter in the school campus. Okay, so he provides safety, means he has a responsibility of safety of the school. Okay, so he is a gatekeeper. At the gate you can see him. Then the ayah helps the little children when they go to the toilet. She cleans the classrooms and helps the teachers. So children, you know, ayah is a Hindi word. In English we can say maid to ayah. You know that one auntie is there who helps you to go to toilet. Okay, even when you were in the KG classes or nursery class, that time you remember that how that maid helped you a lot when you go to toilet, and she also cleans your classroom and helps the teachers to maintain cleanliness in the class. Okay, so she is also equally important for us, because without the help of our maid we can't run our school and we can't study in school. Okay, so after that, now let's see what is the next one. The sweeper keeps the school clean. It is our duty to help him maintain cleanliness. You know children, he is sweeper, and dear students, this person also has responsibility to clean the school. But if you also maintain cleanliness, then only he can clean our school. Means we should not throw papers or any waste material here there. Okay, once he cleans school, and after that we should also maintain cleanliness. And here this person is an important person. Here he is a gents and he is a principal. Okay, but in your school children, you know, your principal is a lady principal and she is a woman, and her name is Mrs. Mamta Bhattacharjee. Okay, what is your principal name? Here they have written what is the name of your principal. So you all should know that Mrs. Mamta Bhattacharjee is your principal. And about principal, what they written here, there are many people who work at school. The principal looks after the whole school. He sits in a big office and gives speeches at special assemblies. He goes around and checks everybody in the school. Children, you know principal is a highermost post in the school, and what is the work of principal? You know principal looks after all over every work of the school, means whole work of the school is looked after by the principal. And she sits in a big office, you know principal office is big one. And your principal also, when there is special assembly anytime, she gives speech also, okay. And she watches all the things that whatever running in the school, it is going on properly or not, okay. So all the works overall looked after by the principal of school. So children, your this chapter is completed here. After this, they have given exercises of this chapter. First one is show what you know, means answer the questions to solve the given crossword. Here this is the crossword puzzle, okay. So how to solve it? You know some of the words they have given downward, okay, and some of the words you have to fill across. This is called across and this is downward. So clue is given here. Just now you see second number is given here. So who teaches to read and write in school? So children, who teaches to read and write in school? Teacher, okay. And fourth one is who looks after the books in library? So who looks after the books in library? Librarian. Fourth one you can see here. This is not C, actually this is L. Librarian, okay. And after that 6 is given, who keeps the school clean? 6 is also across. So here who keeps the school clean? Sweeper. And downward are also 3. First is who looks after the whole school? So first is given here. So this word will come like this. Who looks after the whole school? Principal. This is P, okay. So it is principal. And who helps little children when they go to the toilet? You know, where is 3 given here? She is Aya. A-Y. This is not X, children. This is Y. A-Y-A-H. Aya. And fifth one is who carries messages in school? So fifth one is who carry messages? Who brings messages in the classes? Peon. This fifth one is downward and it is peon. Okay children. So after this, complete the school rules with the help of the words in the clue box. So children, here clue box is given. Furniture, teachers, time, clean, flowers. They have given 5 words given here, and here 5 sentences are there. So we have to match with them and write a suitable word here. I'll give you numbering. You write your words here. So we must always reach school on time. Okay. So time is our first word. Number 1 is time. So write here at the number 1 time. Second is we should not damage our school furniture. Furniture means desks, benches. You should not damage those. We should not pluck. क्या चीज नहीं तोड़ना चाहिए आपको? Flowers. Okay. Fourth is we should obey and respect our teachers. फोर्थ वाले में आप क्या फिल करोगे? टीचर्स. We should keep our classroom clean. So in fifth one, you fill clean. All these words according to their numbers, you should fill in these blanks. Okay, children. So with this, this chapter is also completed, and I'll send you question answers of this chapter also in the form of PDF. So you should write down in your EVS notebook question answers of this chapter and previous chapter also. Okay. So Jai Gurudev.